Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you're going to see an unboxing of a Ted Baker bag called Daryl. So I'm just going to open the bag and let you see what's inside. As you can see, I'm struggling to get the bag open, trying to hold the camera and try to cut it open with the scissors, so just bear with me. Okay, so as you might have noticed, I got the bag from House of Fraser online. The reason why I got it from House of Fraser is because Ted Baker at the time was selling the bag for $200. So I decided to look around, and I found it for cheaper at House of Fraser. So it was selling for $140. But they had a May discount code. I think it's May 20. I'll double check that, put it in the bio. And obviously that reduced the price, plus obviously adding shipping as well, so that's why I decided to get it from there. Ted Baker at the moment also has a 30% discount as well, so it just made the price go down to $140, but obviously I'd already purchased the bag. But as you can see here, the bag's actually gorgeous. It's lovely. It has a nice textured surface to it, and the whole black and gold balance itself out. It looks fabulous. It's kind of like the Givenchy Antagona bag, very similar, near enough the same kind of shape. The bottom obviously looks a bit different with the feet, which I'll show you in a moment. But same with the zip as well. When you open it up, the space isn't that great when you open it up. It's quite hard still, but I still love the bag anyway. Yeah, so as you can see inside, I'm just taking out some of the stuffing. So obviously it's been well supported, still holds its shape, which is great. I actually tried the bag on. The bag actually sits, I'm actually 5'1", but the bag actually sits on the side of my waist. I didn't really need to adapt the strap or anything like that, so it's quite a good height for me. And then obviously if you're taller, then obviously you can just adjust it as well. And yeah, it's a great bag really. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just taking the strap. It's nicely, neatly wrapped up. You can see all the little pins that you can adjust it with, which is great. It's much better than the Antagona one, because people were complaining about how stiff it was to adjust it and stuff. So this one looks a bit easier. Also, they're also complaining about how you have to grip it onto the side of the bag, and then sometimes it falls off. This one definitely won't, because it's like a clasp. So yeah, much easier. Yeah, so just going to show you how it looks together with the strap. Also the feet, as you can see, they're like metal feet, which has a little bit of engraving where it just says Ted Baker on there. Sorry about the blur, as you can see right there, which is much better when you're putting it on the ground. So I'm going on Google just to show you where I've got the bag from. I visited Ted Baker first, obviously looked at their discount code, which is there now but wasn't there before. As you can see as well, I'm just going to type in the name of Daryl. I found the bag. It's available in 3 colours and also in a mini kind of size as well, which just has a reduced price. So I'm just going to Google now to go to House of Fraser, and they sell it for $140. The exact same size and the exact same colours are there. Obviously I had to pay for shipping, and I've also used their discount code, which brought it to $119. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked the video, so make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you, bye.